Hi everybody! I just wanted to show you the unboxing of Sunshine and Summer September subscription box from the Crafters Marketplace. So here it is. There. Oh, ayan. Very personalized. May pangalan ko pa. And here's the card. This is for the September 2021. Okay, so here we go. Let's see what's inside. Ooh, I love it! So we have Concord and 9th na mga stamps. So we have sorbet, pallets, sleepers, parsley, honeysuckle, grapefruit, and aqua sky. And then we have this very pretty and dainty washi tape from Eco Park. Ooh, I love this. This is the Concord and 9th Flowers a la carte stamp set. Ooh, I love this. I wanted to play with it. And there's a matching Flowers a la carte die. So when you stamp it and color it, you can actually die cut it in your die cutting machine, or as Shine mentioned before, you can actually, if you don't have a die cutting machine, you can just press your cardstock here and then press it against the maybe a butter knife, the other end of the butter knife, or your fork. And then I have this Cartabella frames and tags, 33 pieces. I love this. Spooky. Oh, this is always what I used to make a 3D effect on some of my crafting. So this is a dot or a squared foam tapes. And then I have this Kelly Stamp and Cat. Ooh, nice. This would really be good for your tags for Christmas. And I have a snap flip books, 4x6 snap flip books. Yay! So this is the full kit of the September subscription box. So I think if you wanted to have subscription boxes to get surprises for for your crafting needs, make sure to contact the Crafters Marketplace. Thank you guys.